Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can enable PayPal as a payment method on Shopify. Now this is very quick and easy. All you have to do, guys, you want to follow these simple steps and you will be able to add PayPal. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Okay, then you want to click on payments, and if you can see here PayPal, that's good. If you don't see here PayPal, because I can see here, like in my case I can see here PayPal by default. So for you, if you don't see here PayPal, you want to click on add payment methods, click on search by provider and search here for PayPal and click on it. Okay, and after you add PayPal here, as you can see where it says here supported payment methods, I can see here PayPal. So in my case, I just have to click on activate PayPal. So after you click, guys, on activate PayPal, you want to click on activate PayPal Express checkout so that people will be able to pay using PayPal. Okay, and you will receive your money. So click on activate PayPal Express checkout, click on I'm not a robot, and you just want to like click confirm, stuff like that. So click on next, and then wait to click and wait to get a code here so that you can verify it's me. I'm going to add the code. It's called 00130. So yeah, so that's it, guys. Now if you want, you can just click on convert your personal account to business, so you need to do that, or you can just yeah, that's it, confirm, and then you can by the way, you have to convert your personal PayPal to business. Otherwise this is not going to work, because Shopify requires you to have a business account. Okay, and you just want to follow the steps. Like you just want to add here the legal name. Yeah, you just want to add here your name and the address and the phone number and the currency, and click by clicking I agree, and that's it. And then click on I agree and upgrade. So after you upgrade, you just want to click on confirm and stuff like that. It's very easy. You just want to follow the steps that you see here, and you will be able to activate PayPal inside your Shopify. I don't want to do that right now on this new Shopify account. I have PayPal on my other stores, but this one I don't want to enable PayPal. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. You just want to follow the steps like I said to enable it. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.